What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Addison Hurd, and yeah. So today I'm going to do something a little bit different. I decided that I was going to order some of the Jeffree Star Cosmetic mystery boxes. So I got them in the mail, and I'm going to do a little unboxing for you. I haven't opened them, so I have no idea what's in them. That's the idea of a mystery box. You know what I'm saying? So I believe he had 3 different sizes. When I hopped on, I only saw 2, so I think the biggest mystery box was already sold out before I got there. So I got the medium one and the small one right here. So let's just jump into it, but before you leave, make sure you subscribe and like this video and hit the notification bell so you can get a notification every single time that I upload a new video. Also, I've got something a little bit different going on. I am doing a little series on my channel for small businesses or direct sales companies. So drop your favorite direct sales company or small business in the comments and I will check them out, and then I'll do a whole video on them. I'll buy some of their products, I'll review them, stuff like that. So I've got a couple already that I'm doing, but I would like to do a lot of them. So drop your favorites down below and what your favorite product or item is from that company so that I can purchase it and do a video on it. So I'm going to start with the smallest box. If I can open it. I haven't even opened these, guys. I was waiting to do it on camera. I haven't done my lipstick or my highlighter because there might be something in here. I don't know. Gosh dang it. I might have to destroy the box just to get in it. Okay, here it is. What's inside? Okay, so this is everything that is inside of the box. It looks like we've got a Jeffree Star pop socket. That's super cool. I've actually never had a pop socket, so this will be interesting. How neat. It's just a little orange logo. That's cool. Okay, that's one. And then we've got a velour liquid lipstick here in the shade Diamond. I don't know if you can see that. Diamond. So let's see. I don't know any of his shades. I have 2 liquid lipsticks. Okay. Oh. This is Diamond. How did I know I was gonna get an exotic color like this? We're just gonna put it on, okay? We're gonna do it. So, oops, sorry, Bella. My dog is right down here. Okay. It is bright purple. Bright purple. I'm gonna do a little swatch. Oh, it's like blue, actually. It's like blue. Okay. I did a, like, no eyeshadow look just for this purpose. Oh, it looks like I have a mustache. That is Diamond. Blue. Okay. Interesting. I don't think I would ever wear this, but hey, you never know. I knew I was gonna get an exotic color, and I sure did. Diamond. One thing I really do love about Jeffree Star lipsticks is the applicator. So as you can see, it kind of has like a little like dip in it to really like form on your lip and go on nice and even. I love it. So that's that one. Next we have another velour liquid lipstick in Self-Control. Okay, what's this one all about? I love the packaging. It's like red. Okay. Okay. Self-Control. I love the packaging. That is so cool. I love the red. Okay. We're going to wipe Diamond off. Oh, well, we might not wipe Diamond off. I might have to get something heavy duty, but let me swatch Self-Control. This one is a purple. Okay, that is Self-Control and that is Diamond. So it's definitely a purple. Let me go get a makeup wipe. Okay, so I went ahead and wiped off Diamond off camera, and now let's put on Self-Control. This one is not as bright. I appreciate that. I love how smooth his lipsticks are too. Liquid lipstick, sorry. Okay, this is Self-Control. It's actually really pretty for a purple. Is that crazy? That's crazy. I actually really like this color. Who knows, maybe I'll wear it more often. Okay. Now let's dive into the big box. Okay. So this is, I think this is the medium size one, the medium mystery box. I think there was a bigger one than this, but I could be wrong. I think this was like premium or something. I don't know. I don't remember the names of them, but I think one was $40 and one was $20. Don't quote me on that, but yeah. We breaking into this box now. The only thing that I have tried from Jeffree Star is I have one of his eyeshadow palettes and 2 liquid lipsticks. So I kind of like some like skin frost or something. Okay, so here's this one. Okay, there it is. Okay, so it looks like we got another pop socket, the same color and everything. Okay, so let's start here. Okay, so we have one lip ammunition in the shade Ice Cream Boulevard. Looks like it might be a pink. I love that lipstick ammunition. That's super cool. Okay, here it is. The packaging is super cool. I love that. Okay, and yep, it's a pink. It's like a Barbie pink too. Uh-oh. This makes me scared. Ooh, it's a mystery color. Okay. Let's put on this one. I love the smell of all of his stuff. This is definitely a Barbie doll pink. See? It's so soft. Love that. So that is Ice Cream Boulevard. Super cool. Okay. We're gonna wipe that off because we got 2 more lipsticks. That one was really pretty. Okay. Next. My lips are gonna hate me after this. Okay, next is Doll Parts. And this is a liquid lipstick. That's super pretty. Okay, I'm gonna like this one. Let's swatch it real fast. There it is. Doll Parts. Okay. There it is. I like. Super pretty. Approve. Addison Hurd approved. Okay. The next one comes in this green package. It's also a liquid lipstick, but it has a mystery on it. So we don't know what we're gonna get. There it is. That's super pretty. This is just mystery. That's just what it's called. Question mark. There is it swatched. That is so pretty. Let's put her on. We gotta wipe this off. Bye-bye, Doll Parts. I'm definitely gonna wear this more often now. It looks like it might stain your lips a little bit. Definitely. Okay. Messing up the foundation around my... Okay, let's put on this mystery shade. So far, I really like it. Okay, that is the mystery shade. I like it. It's really pretty. Oh. Okay, so these are all the lipsticks that I got. These are all the liquid lipsticks, and I got 1 lip ammunition. Super cool. Okay, last but not least, we got a liquid frost. Now this is a liquid highlighter, and we got it in Crown Jewel. So see what she looks like. Oh, so pretty. Okay. It's got a little push button up here. So when you like, okay, I like. Okay, we're just gonna put this on here. Okay. Wow. That is pretty. I don't know how it's gonna look like on my face though. Okay, I'm just gonna take what's left. Oh, get my hair out of the way. What's left on my finger. And I'm just gonna. It's a little bit too dark for my skin tone, but it would be so pretty on like darker skin tones. Can you see that? It smells a bit odd. That is so pretty. Let's put a little bit on my nose. I love. That's so pretty. Yes, this was very successful. I really do like this. I was hoping that I would get one of these liquid frosts because I haven't bought any from Jeffree Star, but I'm definitely gonna be because this was a very successful mystery box. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and yeah, let me know if you want to do, let me know if you want me to do any more of these in the future, of any unboxings or any makeup that I buy online or anything like that. I sure can do that for you. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.